Hello everyone, I am Tessera's digital spokesperson Ted. Today, I want to discuss with you a major event that could influence the landscape of crypto payments over the next decade. Tessera has reached a strategic partnership with Nexa Pay to jointly launch a MasterCard co-branded credit card. This is not just a simple card, but a crucial step in truly integrating on-chain assets into the global real-world payment network.
Over the past years, many people have been asking the same question. What can I do with the assets I earn on the chain besides holding and trading? From the very beginning, Tessera was not just about creating a coin, but about building a complete set of global on-chain financial infrastructure using the TSR governance system and stable asset system to connect clearing, payments, yields, and governance into a complete closed loop. But to truly accomplish this, having an on-chain system alone is not enough. What you need is the ability to spend that money in the real world. Make card payments at global merchants. Withdraw cash at ATMs. Link to online platforms. Subscribe to services. Be truly used during business trips, travel, studying abroad, and cross-border transactions. This is the last mile we must solve.
Nexa Xworth is a financial infrastructure platform focused on crypto asset payments and RWA, real-world assets. It builds a complete crypto payment closed loop around Nexa Card plus Nexa Pay app. Official public information shows that Nexa Card collaborates with MasterCard and Visa, integrating crypto assets into the global bank card acceptance network, supporting online and offline consumption, as well as ATM cash withdrawals. The accompanying Nexa Pay app serves as the brain and central hub of this card. Online application, activation, and management of the card. Complete asset exchange and repayment management within the app. Supports online and offline payments, POS card swipes, and ATM withdrawals in over 120 countries. Real-time transaction viewing, limits, and risk control, making funds safer and more controllable. In other words, Nexa Pay is doing a very difficult but very important thing, integrating traditional card network plus crypto asset accounts, plus compliant fund flows. This is also the fundamental reason why Tessera chose Nexa as a key ecosystem partner. This card has several key features. 1. USDT, asset endorsement. USDT held on the blockchain or platform can be converted into available card credit through specified mechanisms and credit models, achieving on-chain asset-driven credit consumption. 2. MasterCard Global Acceptance Network. With the MasterCard network, this card can be accepted at a large number of merchants, online platforms, and ATMs worldwide, realizing true global card usage and cash withdrawal. 3. Virtual card, plus physical card dual forms. Virtual card, suitable for e-commerce shopping, app subscriptions, online services, cross-border SaaS payments, and can be linked to third-party payment scenarios such as WeChat Pay and Alipay. Physical card, suitable for offline shopping, hotels, airline tickets, dining, travel, and other daily consumption scenarios. 4. Real-time, on-chain, borderless fund flow experience. In the design of Tessera, the goal is to enable USDT to carry value and perform risk control on-chain, with the card organization handling acceptance and users feeling this is a portable on-chain asset credit passport. We can break it down into 4 points. 1. More freedom in fund allocation. No need to frequently transfer assets from the chain to centralized accounts and then withdraw. As long as assets and credit limits are sufficient, you can directly use the card for consumption, saving multiple intermediate steps. 2. Lighter cross-border burden. For people who often travel, study abroad, or do cross-border business, issues like currency exchange, cross-border fees, settlement time, and credit limits are pain points under traditional systems. The co-branded USDT credit card aims to minimize these frictions, enabling funds to flow along a flatter path. 3. Xing Chengbi Huan with Tessera ecosystem. When you earn income through staking, treasury options, and other methods within the Tessera ecosystem, and then use this card for global consumption, you unwittingly complete a on-chain value creation, enjoyment of value in the real world, closed loop. 4. Stronger participation and identity sense. This is no longer just an ordinary bank card, but a symbol of your identity as a participant in the new financial civilization. When you hold the Tessera X Nexa co-branded card, your role is no longer just a user, but an early builder and witness of the new system. Finally, let's broaden our perspective. In the traditional financial world, networks like MasterCard have been built over decades to become one of the foundational infrastructures of global payments today. In today's Web3 world, we are witnessing the rise of another type of infrastructure. A financial network driven by on-chain assets, smart contracts, open protocols, and global communities. The Tessera X Nexa co-branded USDT credit card is just one node in this network, but it carries several very special significances. It proves that on-chain assets can fully integrate with traditional payment systems through compliance and technology. It proves that the value of DeFi is not limited to on-chain yields, but can serve users in every scenario of daily life. It also proves that when emerging protocols collaborate with traditional financial infrastructure, both sides do not diminish each other, but can amplify each other's value. For Tessera, this card is the current landing point for the global payment narrative. For Nexa, it is an opportunity to further expand its crypto payment network to a larger user base. For every user, it is your official pass into the era of using on-chain assets as money. When a card allows you to make payments anywhere in the world using USDT, when an ecosystem can create value on the chain and realize value in reality, we can probably say, a new financial era has already pressed this start button. This is Ted, the digital spokesperson of Tessera. Welcome to witness and participate in all of this with us. See you globally.